You see that? That's $2,000 sent to me from my client, just like that. And keep in mind, this particular client has already paid me like $20,000, right?
Stop the cap.
You're very kind. I'm going to pay you. Boom. And then I can't show you that because that's private, but I can show you that. It's the dollar amount right there, right? Boom. 2,000. You see how that is? You see how God works? It's about not just doing business, but doing good business. I get godly business. I don't have clients. I may have some. I've definitely had some in the past, but nowadays I don't really have clients at all that I have to nickel and dime or haggle or negotiate. Owning a business is very stressful if you rely just on yourself, if you believe just in yourself and you become an island and you become a solopreneur. But if you understand God, you really know how to build an empire. And think of it. All the books, these books, the fact that these are actually books. You know how many people publish books and you never hear about them because they go out of business or stop their publications and distribution?